I'm a teacher Limboka Sejiga Masame. Welcome to Limboka Physics. The question below states that ABC is a triangular prism made of glass of refractive index 1.5 in which the angle A is 30 degree and the angle C is 60 degree. A ray of light is incident normally on the face AB by graphical constructions or otherwise determine the path of the ray and show it clearly on a diagram. Okay, we have a protractor here and we have our ruler here. Let us use with a pencil. I've already drawn the diagram, but let me show how I got this figure. As you can see, I just draw the normal, and from this normal I locate 0, and then I measure the angle 30. So this is our 30. Then after measuring the angle 30, I decide to take a 7.5 centimeter as my base length, where I will have a angle C, which is 60 degrees. Angle C, which is 60 degrees, 60 degree. After I decide 7.5, the point where I will draw my normal, and I use this normal with this horizontal line just to measure my 60 degree angle. Then my 60 degree angle is at this point. This is 0, this is 30, 40, 50, and this is 60 at this mark. Okay, and also for the side, this is C, and where this line head is at a point B, and this is the point B, and I decide the distance for CB, and it is about 3.5 or 3.9 centimeter. Therefore, I join this point A and point B so that I get line AB. The face AB is where our incident C, the ray will pass. Okay, this is now our complete graphical construction. Remember, you do this on a graph paper, but here I just done roughly on my plain paper. Okay, and now our normal is from AB, on a face AB, and I decided the middle point between A and B so that we will see clear this direction of this this incidence ray. We construct our normal line here where we have 90 degree, and our incidency is passing through this normal line, and because it passes through normal line, it will never be reflected. Therefore, it is direct to the point M at the base AC at the next face. Therefore, from this point, we don't know if the ray will suffer total internal reflections or will just emerge in another media, which is air. In order to understand that, we must define the incident angle, and this ray is parallel to this ray because these two rays are parallel. As you can see, this is normal and this is also normal. Therefore, this is 60 degrees is also here 60 degrees because these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, if it's 60 degrees and here is 90 degrees, this is normal. Therefore, this angle is 30 degree. Therefore, incidence is 30 degrees. How we can know if this will suffer total internal reflection or not is through calculating the critical angle for the glass to air media. Through Snell's laws, we know that the refractive index for air is 1, and therefore our critical angle will be given by this expression, and we substitute this R for 90 degrees and this refractive index of glass for 1.5, and the critical angle which is 41.8. Therefore, critical angle is very, very greater than this incidence angle. Therefore, this ray will not suffer total internal reflections, except it will just emerge to the air media, and we'll have emergence angle and the emergence ray. We can't draw this line to complete this our questions because we don't have the size of this emergency angle. In order to find the size of this emergence angle, we refer Snell's laws of refractions, where it is equal to constant, and this refractive index for air is equal to 1. Then we find R by sine arc of this expressions inside this square bracket. Therefore, our R is equal to 48.6 degrees, or approximately 49 degrees, because in our protractor we don't have a point. Okay, then we place our protractor here in such a way that this 90 degrees is equal to 0, and this is 10, 20, and this is 30, and this is 40, and about at this point is 40, 49. Then we put a mark, and we draw straight. We join this M and this mark that we put here to get our 49 degree. Therefore, through drawing this 49 degrees is how we complete answer these questions. By first, graphical constructions. By second, showing the path. The path is from this point O to point M, and then the image away from this normal line MN, and show it clearly on the diagram as I have drawn this. It is clearly shown, and therefore, this is the emergence angle also is equal to 48 degrees and 36 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more video like this one. Thank you.